More rain is in the forecast as part of India is dealing with the worst flooding it's had in almost a century. Reuters reports flooding in the tourist state of Kerala has killed at least 43 people and left tens of thousands stranded. The chief minister of Kerala said the state is facing an unprecedented crisis because of the floods. The rain started about a week ago and has forced authorities to release water from 35 extremely full reservoirs. India's Meteorological Department issued weather warnings for heavy to very heavy rain for Kerala for the coming days. Reuters reports the last time the state saw such flooding was in 1924.